the first landmark case, we can say it is of a Qualitex company versus Jacobson Products company. It's a 1995 case, and it is a US Supreme Court have given the decision. Now, issue under consideration in this particular case was whether color alone can be registered as a trademark. So, question was whether color alone can be registered as a trademark, and here in this particular case the outcome was that court held that color alone can be registered as a trademark if it has a acquired secondary meaning, because distinctiveness is a characteristic of a trademark, and that if that trademark acquires that distinctiveness because of the color, secondary meaning because of the color, then you can consider it as a color as a trademark. Now, here I will just put one concept of a trade dress. Actually, probably you are aware about the Anchor versus Colgate case.